Here is how to change a subscription quantity in Stripe, step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once the dashboard loads, look to the main navigation and go to Customers. This section shows the customer records connected to your Stripe account, and it is where you can locate the subscription that needs to be adjusted. Inside Customers, select the customer whose subscription quantity you want to change. Make sure you open the correct customer profile before continuing, especially if you manage several subscriptions that look similar. When you open the customer record, you will see account details along with billing activity and any active or past subscriptions linked to that customer. Under the Subscriptions area, open the subscription you want to update. This takes you into the Subscription Details page, where Stripe shows the current plan, status, billing cycle, and the products included in that subscription. If the customer has more than one subscription, check that you are opening the right one so the quantity change applies to the intended product. On the subscription page, click Update Subscription. Stripe will open the editing view for that subscription. In this screen, find the subscription product whose quantity needs to be changed. The quantity field is tied to how many units of that product the customer is being billed for, so this is the field you will adjust. Change the quantity to the amount you want. Enter the new number carefully, since this value affects what Stripe charges going forward and may also affect the current billing period depending on the subscription settings. If there is more than one product listed in the subscription, update only the one that applies to your change. After entering the new quantity, review the proration or billing changes Stripe shows on screen. Stripe may display an updated charge, a credit, or an adjustment that reflects the difference between the old quantity and the new one. Read this section closely before applying the change so you know how the customer will be billed. If the update takes a moment to calculate, wait for Stripe to finish and then confirm the details shown. When everything looks correct, click Update Subscription or Save, depending on the button shown in your dashboard. This applies the new quantity to the subscription. After the page refreshes, Stripe will return you to the subscription view where you can confirm that the quantity now reflects the new amount. The subscription quantity in Stripe is now updated to the new amount.